38 million people for this world now they infected with HIV. For Obodo, Nigeria, 1.9 million adults now they infected, and 150 children for inside this Niger now carry the HIV virus. This video will show you two different people we get different experience as people where they live with HIV.
Some companies again, they discriminate about this HIV. If you go find work, maybe they can't send you for medical, they will just tell you say they will call you back. But they no go tell you, because e get one where I go one job interview. I really passed that interview. The thing pay me. Now later somebody inside now tell me say the sample where they collect for me that they say now HIV now they go to.
But in relation to my job, when I wanted to get this new job, I've been doing medical tests, right? And the hospital had to tell the HR that the person they were employing is HIV positive. However, they mentioned to them that I was already on my treatment, so made them no fear, say they feel employ me and all of that. So initially, not just me, the HR and our executive management, now be no. So now when myself can release my YouTube channel, now all of them for office can know, and nothing changed.
We no go close our eyes to the fact say people where they live with HIV, they face different challenges for their lives, especially for relationship wise and also career wise.
It don't make me maybe say it now I never married, but I see they believe say one day I will marry, get my own children, we will be negative, they no go come down with this thing.
My own mantra be say, if I meet a guy and I feel like I like him and things are going in that direction, me I go tell him before anything goes too far. But a lot of people have the opinion that don't tell them until things actually go too far. For me, it feels like that's an investment I don't want to waste my time on. So I prefer to tell you at the beginning so you know where you stand. And then someday we'll say, of course I've dated people over the 6 years. And yeah, I don't personally believe that being HIV positive can stop you from being in a relationship. If you don't see it as a barrier, then it's not a barrier.
Chook out. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.